In a hot seller's market, when inventory is at an all-time low, buyers can find themselves in a constant competing situation, often losing out to other offers again and again. It can be exhausting and heartbreaking. So how can you make your offer stand out above the rest? Hi, I'm Marni Kelce with Colorado Home Realty, and I've helped hundreds of buyers structure their offer to put them at the top of a potentially multiple offer stack. Here are 5 tips to help you and your offer stand out from the crowd and get it accepted the first time. Number 1, use an experienced agent who knows and understands the market they're working in and is a great communicator with the listing agent on your behalf. Number 2, make sure you've offered a competitive price on the home, and oftentimes this may mean offering over the asking price. This does not mean you are overpaying for the property, but rather keeping up with supply and demand. Number 3, consider putting down a significant earnest money deposit. This is money that will be deducted from your cash to close, and it shows that you are a serious buyer, and it may speak volumes to the seller about your ability to finalize the purchase. Number 4, use a limited inspection clause that lets the seller know you will still be having inspections done on the home, but you'll only ask for things to be fixed that exceed, say, X amount of dollars. Or if you are in a super competitive market, you may want to remove your right for inspection objection altogether. Number 5, using an escalation clause. That in the case of a multiple offer situation, you will agree to go over the highest offer by, say, X amount, but not to exceed Z amount. This tactic is something to look at closely with your agent because it can also diminish your ability for negotiation on price, as you will have put all of your cards on the table. But again, if your ultimate goal is to win over all of the other offers and are willing to pay a certain price, this can be the home run you were looking for. This is not the time to try and save a few $1,000s unless you're willing to potentially lose the home altogether. There are many more tips and tricks that I can show you. So reach out to me and let's get started on building the perfect plan to help you find and secure your dream home. Again, this is Marni Kelce, your community market leader and realtor extraordinaire at your service. Thanks for watching.